Hello, and excuse the mess. I am getting over COVID again. Feeling a lot better than I was. This is another video about fidget toys. I do like fidget toys. And I just also wanted to say thank you to Maya Queen because she told me that one of the toys I was playing with is called a Pop-It. And that was the toy that was popping back and forth. These little bubbles, I think. So thank you very much. So now we're going to look at these fidget toys. Not that I know the names of all of them either, but let's just do it. Okay, this one I do know. This is a Rubiks Cube. At least that's what I called it back in the day. And Rubiks Cubes are really cool. They turn in all different ways. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to mix them all up. Mix up all the colors. And then you're supposed to try to put it back together. Like you would have to put all the red on one side, or the blue on the other side, or the yellow, or the green, or the white, or the orange. And a lot of people are able to do it really quickly. I am not one of those people. I used to actually take apart my Rubiks Cube and put it together so that oh, but look, I did that. Wait, look at this. Look at that, I got one side. Ooh, I got two sides. And then I got this. So yeah, I would be here for a very long time. But I did like the Rubiks Cube. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see what else we have here. We have a ball. It has numbers on it. It's squish, I guess we just squish it. Which is cool. We have Dinosaur. Oh, and it has those things inside. I do like those because I like how colorful it is. That sounds weird, but it is cute. Comes out of all the sides of the dinosaur. What else do we have? We have my puppy. And she likes to look at everything too. Okay, what else do we have? Oh, we have another ball that's like that. I do like the colorful ones a lot more. But that's just me. Come on, come on. Then we have this, which, oh, I guess it's like a puzzle. Maybe you take it apart and have to put it back together. That looks kind of hard. But yeah, you do. You take it apart and you put it back together. I am not taking it apart right now. Let's see what else we have. I think I want to see what this is. This is spin around like this. Like this. These the balls you could push around. Can't figure out anything else about it. I guess that's what that does. I guess if you just want to play around and dig it away. We have this magic rainbow ball. This, I think, it just has all the colors. And you just press the colors that you want to press. Oh, okay. Green. Maybe I'm playing with these wrong. I don't know. This is a very hard toy. Kind of like the softer ones. Like this is that. I don't know why there's nothing in this one. That is that. What else do we have in here? Okay, we got more of these long things. And again, I guess this is just good to stretch. Actually, you can exercise with it. It's like one of those weight bands. Of course, I always like this. This is a Slinky. And Willow likes the Slinky too. It is cute to try to get it to walk down the stairs. Ooh. Okay, what else do we got here? I can't see if you put your face in the way. I don't think you got anything different. Ooh, we've got, looks like a snake. I like the cracking of it. Yeah. This actually looks like it's fun to play with too. I guess we could put it together like this. Of course, I feel like I have no more strength. I like that. Different shapes. Willow's walking around. What else do we have here? We have this. That's pretty cool. I do like that. It's a hard toy, but it moves very smoothly. Okay, again, we have one of these. This is, we had this last time. This is new. And I do like it. We have this. And this is just something if you like to press things. So, buttons. Kind of like a remote control. I still can't figure out my remote control, so. But that is pretty cool. And I like the softer toys. Okay, and we have this. I don't know what this is. Ooh, I do like this though. Look at that. I guess it's like the other toy that you can, oh, look at my spaceship. I made a box. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I do like toys like this. I like all the designs on this one. It has to do with space. We got one of these again. The marble going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. What else? What else do we have here? Second Rubiks Cube. I should have said, look, I fixed it, but I didn't. 2 Rubiks Cubes. And I like mazes. Yeah, I know, I hear a ball. Just don't see it. Maybe have to try to get the ball out of the hole and then back into it. Not sure how much I like this one. Oh, here's the ball. Okay. So I guess you just move it around. You move it all around to the maze. I can see this to be entertaining. A little bit difficult sometimes too, but entertaining. See? That's basically it. The holes in here. So all of the ones the same toys as I said. I'll get this one again. The keys. This one. Hello, how you doing? Okay, so I don't have a face. Oh my gosh, 2 of them. It's the guy in the middle. Alrighty. These are my fidget toys for today. Again, this is one of my favorite ones. And I do like this. Okay, so if you liked my video, please subscribe. And please say you like it. That's about it. And I will see what my next video will be about. Thank you.